In this Paracourse lesson, I want to make a parametric table. So as you can see, I have made all the details in this definition, and I'm going to explain how you can do that. As you can see, we can change the height for this. So if I just change this number, it's going to change the overall shape of the table. We also can change the number of the sections by changing this parameter. So I can increase or decrease the number of the parts we want. We can also change the base of the table, so you can see that I can change the base and it's going to update the results. So I'm going to also talk about this in this tutorial, and we're going to make this as detailed as possible, so you can see these are just sitting down on these parts. At the end, we're going to also extract the details. So you can see that this is completely detailed, and we have the sections and also this part which we can extract and use for our fabrication. So this tutorial will help you to understand how to make this parametric table in Grasshopper.